Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to boost Wi-Fi speed on PC. So in this case, I'm gonna go here first in search box and write ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Then you'll find here Wi-Fi. Right click on this and go properties. Then you will find here one thing, configure. Go to configure. Then you'll be finding here advanced. Click on advanced. Then you can see here the code 802 point 11 abg, that's double click and go to this value, single click and choose the bottom one, dual band, this one. Now check this one, channel width to 4 gigahertz and set it to auto. If it's like this, you have to make this auto. Okay, so go channel with 5 gigahertz, make it auto. Then you find here this fat channel intolerant, which should be disable. Make this disable. Okay, then you'll find here preferred band, this one. This should be prefer 5, the bottom one, prefer 5 gigahertz band. Now if I scroll down, I'll find here roaming aggressiveness, this one, which should be medium low. Choose medium low. Then transmit power, which should be also highest. Now go to here power management and uncheck this, allow the computer turn off the device and click on OK. Go to settings and write, go to uh, search bar and write settings. Then you'll find here privacy, and then you'll find here these things should be toggle off, disable all of this. Go speech, disable, this one should be disable. Okay, so all of this here should be disabled like this. Location disable, camera should be disabled if you don't use it, microphone should be disabled if you don't use it. I'm just showing you. So after that, so after all doing this, go here and write device manager, hit enter. Oh sorry, not device manager but delivery optimization, sorry my bad, delivery optimization, this one, delivery optimization enhanced, advanced settings. Now go to back this option. Now you will see here allowed downloads from other PCs should be turned off. Okay, so go again advanced options and make sure you select on this percentage of measured bandwidth. Click on this, then make it all 20%. Click on this and go to 20%. This one to 20%. This one to 20%. And this one should be 150 gigabyte, 150 GB. Okay, now just cross it or you can minimize it and then go to the third option, Wi-Fi. Right here Wi-Fi settings, click on this manage node networks and choose your network from here. Go to properties, go to this Wi-Fi, go properties again. Now scroll down and you'll find here metered connection, set as metered connection, which should be turned on. After doing this, just click on cancel and go for the fourth option, device manager. Click on this, enter network adapter and Intel. Go network adapter first. Now we're finding here network and adapter. Double click on this and choose this one, Intel R dual band. Just right click on this and go to update driver. Click on this. It will automatically install your drivers. After done this, click on cancel and go here. Sorry, not here. Now go to Chrome browser and you'll find here this three dot icon which is top right corner. Then go settings. Now go privacy and security. Now clear the browsing data. It will help your PC to light. It will just click on clear data. After clearing this data, all you have to just go here and reset settings. Now click on restore settings to their original defaults. Now click on restart settings. Sorry, hold on, it will take some minutes. All done. Now restart your computer and check back, your problem will be solved. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.